I don't know about you, but I think it's awesome to get student voice and input. A really easy way to do that is through Google Forms. I'd recommend this maybe from 2nd grade up. Come up here to box of 9, waffle, whatever you want to call it, and we're going to scroll down here to Forms. All right, and this is how you do it. It's this simple. Click on blank, title your form. Say you are having an ice cream party, sundae bar, something like that. Ice cream flavors. Please pick your favorite flavors. All right, and then maybe they're allowed to pick only one. So you would say favorite flavor. Over here you would want it to say multiple choice. This would force them to only check one. Okay, now if you want it to be a required question, which you would because you want their answer, you would toggle this right here. We're going to add another question, and we're going to say favorite toppings. Now here you want them to be able to pick a number of different toppings. So you can go to check boxes, and you can say chips. I'm going quickly here for chocolate chips. Sprinkle, oh goodness. Sprinkles, what else do people, whipped cream, put on their ice cream, butterscotch, and so on. And again, you would want this to be required. And then you might even say here, because you always have someone who says, I don't like any of those, you can say none. And then that might also be required. So a really simple way to get student voice and input from something so simple. Again, I put the title up top here, a little directive, favorite flavor, this asterisk means that it is a required question, and then favorite toppings, checkbox, because they can choose a number of different items. The other thing about this is this little tool here allows you to drag and change the order of your questions. So if you make a mistake, you don't have to completely delete the question. If you do want to delete the question, this is the icon that you use, of course, to delete. This is the most simple creation of a form. Some other different choices that you have if you want them to write in their own answer as a quick formative assessment. You can also do short answer or paragraph for them to be able to quickly type in something at the end of class. Or maybe it's a little kind of anticipatory set when they come into class. It's just something to spark their memory. Once you have input from students, you will come over here to responses and you will see what, there's typically like a pie chart or something there. So a great way to get student voice.